Welcome back to the Nightcap. Today, for our better than average drink in less than average time, we'll be making the bourbon smash. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, get it out to everyone you know. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. It's gonna be 2 ounces of bourbon, about 9 mint leaves, 3/4 ounces of simple syrup, and half a lemon cut up. So we're gonna make this in a shaker. And the first thing we're gonna do is put in half the lemon, which I've already cut up, in there. Now, you can't have a bourbon smash without smashing. So we'll go ahead and start muddling this. You want to muddle inside of here with the peel on there as well, just to get some of the flavoring in there. So get that lemon smashed in. This is a great drink for the spring, another good classic drink for Derby as well. There we go, we got that nice and smashed. Now we will throw in the 9 mint leaves. That's like 9, so we'll do that. After the mint leaves that are in there, you don't need to smash the mint leaves because we're gonna shaking it, it's gonna get the flavoring. Now we got 3/4 ounce of simple syrup poured on top. And then finally, as far as flavor goes, we've got 2 ounces of bourbon. Today we'll be using Michter's. So pour that in there. So again, that's the Michter's small batch. The last thing we stick inside the shaker is ice. So you got the loose bag. Pour ice in there, and we'll get to shaking. Nice and cold. Go ahead and take that top off. We're going to strain it in a glass that has crushed ice. Look at that fill up nicely. There we go. And just for a little extra tip, we're going to garnish this. So we'll put on lemon and some mint. She's a Clark. Cheers.